Minnie is hard at work in her busy boutique. Oh, Kukuroka, says Minnie. Isn't my new magic jeweler fantastic? Suddenly, Minnie hears giggling. Who's making that noise? She says. It's us, Aunt Minnie, shout Millie and Melody, jumping out at her. Delighted, Minnie greets her twin nieces. Hello, Millie. Hello, Melody. The girls begin to run around the boutique. Oh no, they accidentally knocked over boxes of bows and beads. Can we help you make stuff today? Millie asked. We promise to be extra good, adds Melody. Kukuloka looks at the mess the girls have already made. Famous last words, she says. I was just thinking how nice it would be to have 2 helpers today, says Minnie. Why don't you unpack that box of ribbons for me? Yay! Shout Millie and Melody. Just then, Daisy Duck rushes into the shop. Minnie, she calls excitedly. You're never going to believe it. Oops, Daisy. She slips on the spilled beads and falls. Oh, Daisy, cries Minnie. Are you all right? Never better, says Daisy. Guess what famous movie superstar is on her way over to the boutique right now? Penelope Poodle, guesses Minnie. Right, cries Daisy. I've just got off the phone with her people. They made me promise that Penelope could shop in total peace and quiet. Suddenly, Millie and Melody zoom past Daisy, nearly knocking her over. Hi, Daisy, the twins shout. Sorry about the beads. Daisy looks at the girls and sighs. Minnie, the twins are not total peace and quiet. Minnie giggles. Normally, that's true, but they've promised to be extra good today. Millie and Melody reach for some spools of colorful ribbon. Uh-oh, looks like the helpers need some help. Oops, sorry, Aunt Minnie. Just then, there's a huge commotion outside. Penelope Poodle has arrived. Excited fans and photographers crowd around the famous movie star. Look this way, Miss Poodle, shouts a photographer. Can we get a smile? Oh, cries Daisy. She's here. Daisy hurries to clean up the mess. The glamorous Penelope Poodle glides through the door. Welcome to my boutique, says Minnie. Hello, says Penelope. You must help me. I'm accepting a Golden Bone Award in less than an hour, and I need something fabulous to wear. Suddenly, Millie and Melody race past Penelope. Beep beep, shouts Millie. Coming through, warns Melody.
Ito yung si Millie and Melody.
Penelope Poodle gasped. I was promised that I could shop in total peace and quiet. Kukuloka pops up to snap a picture. Love your movies, even the bad ones. May I have your autograph? Not now, Kukuloka, Daisy says firmly. Minnie was just about to show Miss Poodle that one-of-a-kind thing she made. Penelope Poodle perks up. One of a kind? Thinking fast, Minnie picks up the sparkly bow she made with her magic jeweler and shows it to Penelope. I call it the Glitterati, says Minnie. Penelope Poodle is very impressed. Suddenly, Millie and Melody crash into some of Minnie's bow displays. Look out! Shout the twins. They knock over racks of bows, ribbons, and even a can of paint. The paint splatters everywhere.
Mami?
Yes?
May alis tayo? May alis?
Kami lang ni Daddy.
May alis tayo? May alis tayo?
Kami lang. Penelope Poodle has had enough. I can see that coming here was a mistake. I am positive I can find you something gorgeous to wear, Minnie says, if you will just wait. Wait, says Penelope. I can't waste another moment. I simply must go. What have those little monsters done to me? Oh, they're not little monsters, says Minnie. They're little helpers. She quickly adds bows and jewels to the twins' handiwork. I think they're onto something. Penelope Poodle looks in the mirror. I look fabulous, she says. You're brilliant. Minnie smiles sweetly. That's what I always say, Daisy agrees. Everyone loves Penelope's new outfit. Miss Poodle calls a fan. That's a fantastic look. Who are you wearing? Asks a photographer. Penelope smiles. Who else? Minnie Mouse, of course. Millie and Melody look at the mess they have made in the boutique. We'll clean up for you, Aunt Minnie, they promise. Daisy lets out a sigh of relief. I don't know how you do it, she says, shaking her head. Oh, Daisy, says Minnie, I'm just trying to spread happiness, one bow at a time.
This was